Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conr ki sangma ulo ong ba ke Mukroh ke dei ke beladan Lypa Hapoh Jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ya kini Conr sangma ulo jubab ya ke jingbu jengkeli Jong MLA ke seng Voice of the People Party VPP MLA na North Shillong iba Adelbert Nongrum haka kenta keli jengkeli haka darbar mangtengka Jong ke ying darbar minta kesngi. Ulo ong syusyu ba ke Mukroh ke badan West Jante Hills District ke Hapoh ke Lasken Block bat ki nong shong shnong jong ke nikathan ki yo ke jing mentoiling ba Jong ke Sorka Jylla. UMLA Jong ka seng VPP ubana nongkrem iba Arden basayomot ilabu ik jingkeli kentup halor ka daw babalay ki briu hakijaka khapot ki im hapdeng ke jingtieng jing smith haba jubab yakani Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla uloong bagi jingja ki belajar bat ki weide ki jing e na kamat penbet put ka bampat la ban penbet ke dei ke daw ba baka sorkar klashim yaki lat kelenti ban penklan yaki bor pahara hapo ki jaka khapot bat ru kalayai beteng ban penlong yaki jing kren bat ka Assam.
Government of Meghalaya that has emboldened the counterparts even to outrightly claim Mukroh inside the Assam Assembly. So may I know what actually is the reason, sir?
And hence, as mentioned, that we have gone ahead and sanctioned new border outpost, new police stations, and we have enhanced the manpower, and all these different aspects and infrastructure work also will start there. So all this infrastructure in terms of security, so all these aspects will overall lead to ensure that our manpower and our police force is increased, and our presence is felt, so that there's a sense of confidence among our people. While we do that, it is also very important that we are continuously in touch with the other side.
Usambot Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla iba khmiru yaki kampo